Okay, question number 2. Evaluate each function. G sub t is equals to 3t plus 4. Find g sub negative 3. So, what does it mean? I need to substitute this value on every t. This is how it works. Let me rewrite this. G sub t, the value of t is negative 3, is equals to 3 times plus 4. So the t is negative 3. So we substitute negative 3 on every variable of t. Okay. So 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Add 4. So negative 9 plus 4. 9 is larger than 4 and it's negative. So we subtract them. We use the sign of a larger number. Subtract, it's 5. So g of negative 3 is equals to negative 5. Next question, question number 4. It says, evaluate w of x negative 3x minus 4. Find w of 7. It's the same thing we're going to do. We're going to set this up as equation. I'm going to write that. Instead of writing x there, I'm going to leave that blank. Minus negative 3, parentheses, minus 4. So it says substitute 7 whenever you see x. You see x there, it's going to be 7. See x there, this is going to be 7. And then evaluate. So negative 3 times 7, that's a negative 21. Minus 4. Same sign, we use the sign. And then we add 21 plus 4, 25. So, w of 7 is equals to negative 25. That will be the answer.